Baby, get out of the car.
I have to film this. This morning, Lee came up with a new fantastic idea.
Today, you're changing all of the tyres. We're going to rotate all the tyres, including the spare tyre. I can have breakfast while you go and get the tools ready.
We're starting today's little training, which is changing tyres. We're going to rotate the spare tyres clockwise. Yeah, it's working. I'm a strong rock climber.
Come on, Frenchie.
I'm gonna break.
Break the bolt. Is it moving? I think I saw it move.
No.
Did it move? Don't hurt your back. How did you?
No.
Good job.
I'm blaming the tool on this one. I've got such a strong husband.
Any man should be able to change his own tyres. Just excuse the tool we're using. It's not the right tool for the job,
but because we've got new rims, this part here
didn't fit the old.
Didn't fit the tool we had.
Good job, Stevie. Show me your hands.
That's the best part of the defenders, and we've got a workbench here. We're about done on 15 minutes. Lee did most of the work.
Yeah.
But at least I know how it works now. We're gonna go off-roading today?
Wait.
Because it's raining, we can't go climbing. Here is the start of an off-road trip. Day? Adventure? I don't know. Wiley is taking some air down of the tires. I'm gonna show you something. This is where cork, or liège in French, comes from. It's from that kind of tree, and they strip the bottom, and then the next year it grows back. There is a sign and it's in Portuguese, but we can't understand.
I didn't even press any buttons and it's automatically translating what's on the thing there. So you look there and then you look there and it's in English on the phone.
Yeah.
Forbidden the circulation of vehicles in the dunes and beaches. Shows the trail going out here. There's no entry signs, is there? Look at all these stray dogs. Fuel lights just come on. I think we get about 100 kilometers on the empty tank, but I don't really know how far we are from fuel, so we can't take too many chances.
We drove past about 5 petrol stations and we're like, nah, we'll be alright. Until we might run out of fuel in the middle of the forest.
Oh.
We'll let you know how we go.
You looked at me and said, it'll be okay, okay.
I think we are out of the trouble.
We're good.
Let's
Continue.
I found those at the petrol station.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay, sweetie.
Oh, at least we haven't got the camper on, it's okay, the car's fucked. Baby, get out of the car.
Holy shit.
Someone needs to go.
Oh no!
It's okay.
Oh no,
Baby, please. There's nothing we can do. You okay? You okay? She's okay. She's okay. Sorry. What happened? Hey, everybody's okay, man, and this is the most important thing, alright? So, accident happened. Okay.
This lady is helping us out.
Há alguém ferido lá dentro? Não.
Olá.
Está mais ou menos entre o inglês, tu também? Pronto.
Ships from the south, storming along the shoreline. Those who were right came here with nothing more than dreams of a brighter sun that could make their shadows run.